Roger once again, Mudfossil University, and once again, Tish Egerton has blown the top off of the top where there was a top that she already blew off before by finding all the no-toes that she found in this one site within 20 minutes of seeing one of my videos. Absolutely unbelievable, incredible finds at the snap of her fingers. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing. And you can do the same thing if you get lucky. I mean, she's lucky. I gotta say, she's lucky. You're not gonna go out and do this, I'm sure, but who knows? Now, look at that's a gigantic eyeball. It's a gigantic eyeball. He said, "Well, how could it be eyeball?" Well, it is an eyeball, and I'm going to show you a little video about it. But first, I'm going to show you some anatomy. All right, remember this: the red and the blue. That's the black and the red and the black and the yellow and so forth in mud fossils. Look at this trunk coming out of here, which is the optic nerve canal. Look at all the blood vessel nature of the back part of the eye, because it's cavitated in here. It's eroded. Then you have the front of the eye. Let's take a look at that. All right, you can see a clear resemblance to what was in the fossilized or mud fossilized eye. Okay, it's a giant eyeball. That's all I can tell you. It's a giant eyeball. Now, what kind of creature? I do not know, but this is the structure of it, and that is it's an eyeball. Now, let's watch, and I'm going to talk about it. Tish Egerton discovered this, as she has discovered all of these fabulous things, and she has no toes that are unbelievable. Now, look down here, because I'm going to show you, or I have shown you, the anatomy here. Now, you're going to see the red and the black and the yellow, and that is the nature of the blood that supplies the eye. And you're also going to see a couple of scoopy looking things there that I think that eye rested on. Then you're going to see this. See this right here? That is the muscle, I believe. That's, or I'm sorry. It's this one, this strap right here, and the muscle is broken off right there. Now you watch as we go through it, and you'll see the anatomy that I'm talking about. All right, so there's the back. There's the optic nerve, the blood supplies, the optic nerve canal, all of that. That's the back of the eye. All right, so now we go a little further, and that, I'm saying, is the strap that controls the way your eyes move. You have straps all around your eyes, and it's you're going to see it comes down. You see it coming down here? That's the strap. Now, and then of course that's the same stuff again, the back of the eye. And here's that scoopy part, and there's another one that goes along with it, where the eye, I believe, rested on the, oh, there it is, actually, the scoopy part. And there's the pupil. All right, so that's, I'm saying that's an eyeball, and I don't see how anybody can deny that. What kind of a creature? I don't know, but I can guarantee you that if you got in, you saw where all that black and red blood was over here. I guarantee you that there is DNA in there. There's no question you're going to find DNA in there. You drill in to the arterial or the vein cavity, the canal. That's where the blood is, and that's where it'll be sequestered in there. It'll be saved because it gets surrounded by what they call ligands, or little molecules that wrap right around it in the metal complexes, which are the hemoglobin and the ferrous oxides, and the DNA is locked up in there as well. And they call them, it's called chelation, you call it whatever you want. It wraps around it, and it saves you. So, let's look at some more anatomy. All right, if you look at the other one, you can see the muscle on the side, and it breaks off right about here. And that's what happens. There is abrupt transitions on everything. That's where, and I'll show you an opalized one. Now, I believe that there's like a scoop here and a scoop here, or it's over here and over here. Whatever it is, there's something that it rests. I think it's on the bottom. That's my take. That's what those cups were that I showed. All right, this is an opal eye, and that is that little strap, and it breaks off right about there. You know, if it had broken out of there, that's about the area it breaks. There's some very firm attachments, and then it goes into the muscles that can do this, and that's where they break. Alright, this is just another sort of idea of what's going on inside of an eye. So come up to Mudfossil University. Here it is right here. Got 41,500 right now. We're moving up fast. Now, I do have a new series, Mudfossil Part 1, 2, 3, all the way up, and it goes quite a ways up. So, and I'm going to try to put that on playlists. And then, you know, show you where gold collects in the earth, and where they have just recently found it, in a gigantic, enormous amount of gold found in what I believe is a giant's foot. You have to look at this stuff with an open mind and see it, because I have the evidence. It's not just guesses. So you can come up here and do all you want, look all you want. Fabulous stuff to look at. And everybody's contributing, and we're all learning together. It's not just come up here and read chapter 7 and you're a genius, all right? Mudfossil University, subscribe, ring the little bell, come up and learn a little reality. God bless you. I love you. Thank you. Bye.